Hi, my name is Dan and I'm here at the Durite Distribution Centre to showcase and receive a guided tour of how they do the operations here. So let's get signed in. Hello Adrian.
Good morning, Dan.
Good morning.
Are you right?
Yes, I'm excited to see what you have to show for us.
Yeah, well, what we're going to do today is we're going to show you around the assembly area and also go into the picking, packing and then the distribution side of things. Also look around the warehouse as well to see where the Durite products end up with TRP DAF. So we'll be coming around to where all the Anderson plugs are actually made for DAF and that.
Yeah.
Familiarise what you actually can see here, finished article of what actually DAF buy, TRP.
So do you make these on site?
We make them from scratch, yeah. The guys actually make the leads, cut the leads, and actually attach the Anderson plug on, ready for sale to go out to you guys.
Do you do these at different lengths or do you just keep them at a set length?
Different lengths from 1.5 metres up to 5 metres. All depends on what the actual depth branch require.
So Adrian, how long have you worked here?
So I've been with the company nearly 40 years now.
40 years?
Yeah, started in 1984, became manager in 1998.
So where are we now?
So basically we're in the actual pick and face of the actual company. Over 5,500 different products are in this area. Pick to order, from TRP stuff all the way up to different companies that actually buy it.
Nice, let's see. Have we got any TRP products in-house now?
Yes, so what you can see now is basically a ready-to-sell TRP product, which is ready to go out to your customers or your departments now. So.
And do TRP send these labels across, or do you have to print them in-house?
No, it's all done in-house. They just supply the actual part numbers.
So it's just nice, streamlined.
Exactly right. Yeah. So basically, I'll now show you how many orders have come off so far.
So how many orders are actually shipped from here?
Each day, on average, over 500 orders go out the door. That's orders. Pick lines, probably 15,000 pick lines a day. So yes, it all depends on what the actual customer wants, and we actually go up to 5:30 next day delivery as well.
But so from the point of us ordering from our TRP store, what is the turnover?
The turnover is next day.
Next day?
Yes.
All right.
So it's all guaranteed next day by our carriers.
Yeah. So how many employees do you actually have on site?
So the employees on site, there's over 72 employees on site, all working in different areas. In the afternoon, this is probably about the busiest period in here in the afternoon. So again, in the afternoon, probably 300 orders will go out the door in the actual afternoon. So your split is there. We're now walking into the actual packing area. Again, we've got orders ready to be packed here. As you can see, all different products. And yeah, so you can see DAF orders as well there as well. TRP, yeah. So this is the actual warehouse itself. We store over 1,200 pallet spaces.
Wow.
So we're now coming into the actual technical area. As you can see, live footage of actually vehicles. This is one of our new products to do away with the actual mirrors. So it's going to be an internal mirror.
So will this be an aftermarket fit?
Aftermarket fit, yeah.
Right, because obviously we know some vehicles already have.
Yeah, exactly.
Mirrorless.
And you can see dash cams as well.
Yeah.
Again, as you move along, different sorts of dash cams and recordable devices as well. So as you can see, Dan, this is the end of your actual tour. You've seen the assembly and the operations side of things. We've been into technical, and we're going to move over to your sales, marketing and purchasing.
Well, thank you for your time, Adrian.
Thank you.
So I'm here with the purchasing manager of Durite, Russ Olding, and he's going to give us an insight into their relationship between Durite and TRP. With such a large product offering, what are some of the benefits to the end user?
Well, you've given them easier access to our products. We have a range of innovative solutions that we can offer them from cameras, CCTV, video and technology, lighting right across the range. And we've also offered TRP access to these sort of products for new vehicle accessories and given them some options that they didn't have before.
So with that in mind, what does the future look like between Durite and TRP?
Well, with the never-changing market moving more towards net zero, safety orientated technologies, we're striving to be at the forefront of that and bringing new innovative solutions to the market and supporting our customers more with our knowledge and expertise in those sort of areas.
It's really good to hear the steps you're taking towards safety, and thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we're here with Andy, the Parts Product Manager of TRP, where he's going to explain to us the relationship between Durite and TRP.
Yeah, well, Durite, we started the relationship about 4 years ago, and we've had a significant increase in sales over those 4 years, year on year. So it's been a really beneficial partnership.
So with the variety of parts from the TRP stores with Durite, how does that benefit the end user?
Well, because Durite can supply almost anything that we ask, whether it's in the range or whether they source them elsewhere. They're very responsive, they're very hands-on as well. And the other really good thing about Durite is that they operate in a slightly different way to many of our other suppliers, in that they have close links with the dealerships themselves.
So you'd say there's a strong bond between
very strong bond,
Durite
yeah,
and TRP.
and they're willing to help all the time. So I find it beneficial for me, and the dealers also benefit from that sort of cooperation as well.
So can you sort of explain how the supply chain works from Durite to the dealer network?
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very simple really, because it's a direct ship, next day delivery, and Durite have over 5,000 parts in the range. We have over 3,000 part numbers set up on our system, but we can easily and quickly add numbers as required and still get the next day to the dealership.
So there's very good communication between
Very
Durite
good communication,
and TRP.
yes. Yeah.
So what are the benefits with working with such a large brand?
Well, Durite prepare a tremendous amount of marketing material on behalf of the dealers. Brochures, leaflets, catalogues, and anything bespoke they will prepare as well. So it means we don't have to rely on our marketing agency to prepare documents, and Durite do that all for us.
So it's like a matter of just picking the phone up, creating an order, and then they come back to you with a product?
Yeah, and they can come back with the leaflets, whatever you require, which is all TRP-ized as well, with TRP part numbers. So from that point of view, it's been excellent from a marketing perspective.
Brilliant. So PACCAR obviously celebrating their 50 years within the business. How do companies like Durite add to their future?
The last year or two, we've seen record growth in TRP sales, and for myself, with the products I look after, Durite has been a massive contributor to those sales. Going forwards, Durite are very innovative and bring a lot of new products to market, so there's always scope for future growth.
So thank you, Andy,
Pleasure.
for the insight between Durite and TRP, and congratulations on PACCAR and their 50 years.
Thank you very much.
We have had some great adventures around the Durite Distribution Centre. We have gained heavy insights into the operations here and their relationship with TRP. To find out more about their products, visit your local TRP store.